The classic Valentine's Day poem starts with the phrase, "Roses are red, violets are blue." However, there is much more to flower color than what is explained here. Flowers come in all colors, spanning the entire light spectrum. Colors have an evolutionary advantage for plants because it allows them to attract bees, birds, and other insects. These interactions allow for the spread of pollen, which is the flower's way of reproducing. But how do flowers get their colors? This can be explained in a genetic, molecular, and biochemical process. Plants have pigments that allow them to absorb light. Two major ones for flowers are carotenoids and flavonoids. In these classes of pigments are several molecules. There is carotene, a form of carotenoid, and anthocyanin, a flavonoid. Here are their structures. These pigments allow plants to absorb light from the sun. The colors that flowers appear are the colors that they reflect. For example, the carotenoids absorb blue and violet light, but the flowers appear yellow, red, and orange. However, anthocyanins, a flavonoid, are yellow pigments that make flowers appear red, magenta, purple, and blue. However, these morning glories appear white because they absorb all colors. The presence of pigments in plants can be tested using paper chromatography. In this process, pigments are separated based on their characters of solubility. To do this experiment, you'll need flower petals, paper towels, a coin, and isopropyl alcohol. First, label paper towels with pigments being tested. Use a coin to get a sample of each pigment. This is done by rubbing the coin over the flower petal at the beginning spot. This is how it should look. Next, these strips are placed in a tall, clear container where a mixture of isopropyl alcohol and water is poured into. The liquid acts as a solvent, and over time, the pigments travel up the strip based on its polarity. The results should look something like this. Results are compared using the distance they've traveled from the starting point. Similar pigments will travel a similar distance. This shows that although flowers appear different colors, they have similar pigments. The ability of plants to absorb light for photosynthesis allows them to appear a wide variety of colors. The beauty of flowers not only has advantages for the plant, but for humans as well. Flowers have been rooted deeply in many cultures and customs, and serve as an inspiration for art and discovery.